Hi everybody, welcome once again to my video. Today we will be washing our fresh produce, our fresh veggies and fruits from the market. So stick around and see how I get to do this. What you're seeing there, these are green peas. They are yet to be removed from the pods, and this is a piece of work that has to be done on its own. So we are not going to be undoing or rather removing the peas from the pods on this video, just to show you some of the items that we got from the market. All right, so I'm going to place all my produce in the sink and then I will wash them. For washing, I normally use plain water, vinegar and a brush to scrub off any dirt that's on the fruit or on the vegetable. So you will be seeing that, so stick around, watch. I hope you like the video. If you do, please do give it a thumbs up by liking it or sharing it. You can also subscribe to become part of the community of the Local Mom Life channel, and I will really appreciate you. All right, so let's get watching. I hope you enjoy your homemaking processes as much as I do, and this is one of the videos that is meant to just motivate you, show you that there are other people like you out there. We can relate, we have the same interests. Yes, so keep going and we're in this together. All right.
Circle the other. As you go, you remain a stranger to me, to you. But our pieces left uncovered. I'm thinking about four-leaf clovers. I've got composure, silver coin. You hold me, turn me over right now, but expect to forget about it. Watch as the breeze burns golden smoke that you've stolen. Feels like it's my fortune that you're folding. I'm swimming with the sharks. I'm swimming with the sharks. I can't tell you apart from them. You can't tell either. Will we love or fall in deeper? Tell me, darling, what is it you want? How the mind doesn't work like it used to. As I know I remain a danger to me, to you. Growing altered by the moment, dear. And as the days turn idle, sweet on survival, I'm on fire, waiting your arrival. I never expect to be saved without it. All you could ask for never made its way into your eyes. Cold in the water, cold unless you're keeping a disguise. I'm swimming with the sharks. I'm swimming with the sharks. It's out of my control. You set the play in motion. Couldn't be a bigger ocean. Tell me, darling, is this what you want? Oh, and all you could ask for never made its way into your eyes. Cold in the water, cold unless you're keeping a disguise. All you could ask for never made its way into your eyes. So very clever, leaving me to wonder what you hide.
Thank you so much. If you have watched the video up until this point, I appreciate you so very much. I am very thorough with my veggies washing. I hope you've learned a thing or two, and if you have something to add, please leave it in the comment section. I will really appreciate it. So I will see you in my next video. You will see a final look of how everything turned out shortly.